In this video, I'm going to be setting up this kid's paddling pool for my toddler. This was sent over to me by the brand to do a review. So I'm going to do a full setup and demonstration so you can kind of see the quality and we can go over some of the pros and cons about it. So straight out of the box, it comes in a bag. I do like that it comes in this bag for storage when it's not summertime. You can put it in here and just store it in the garage. It also comes with a little repair kit. It has a few patches and these vinyl plastic repair kit instructions so that if it does get a hole or a rip, you have these on hand, which is really great. And then inside the bag, you have the actual pool itself here, and you have the umbrella top. I'm just going to be setting this up on my patio here. It's finally a nice warm day here in Oregon, so I'm going to set this up and we're going to get the kids out here and they can get out in the sunshine for once.
Setting it up is so quick and easy, and the bottom is nice and thick, and plus it's non-slip, so that is a huge plus. The canopy just easily connects to the sides and the back to secure it in place. I mean, it probably took me maybe 5 minutes to set the whole thing up, and then it's just ready to add water and it should be good to go.
So we have it all set up and it is filling up with water right now, and she could not wait to get in. So we're gonna fill it up to the safe level there, which is about 10 centimeters of water, and then we're gonna stop, but it has that max fill level on there as well. And you have the option of not having the canopy on there, or you can have it on here, or you can just tuck it back. It has a hook right here, so if you want to, you can tuck it back like this, kind of up and out of the way.
It has an inner and outer layer of PVC and an inner board with a mesh layer, so the sides are super thick and supportive. My daughter was leaning on them and I felt like she was really secure in there and it wasn't going to tip over.